What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we got this beautiful Audi TTRS in for full front end PPF, so stay tuned.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Who that hoppin' out the Beamer? It's a party when I see her. Fell in love with my demeanor, and she love the way I treat her. We gon' pour it by the leader. Everybody watching, now I'm blowing off the meter. All these people talking Frank Sinatra through the speakers. If they got a problem, cause in time he got a feature. So I'm popping off. Now I'm hearing talks about falling off. I could never. All these people that been dropping off, I could never. All that talking just to top it off, I could never. Got a bag, homie. I don't mean to brag, homie. Know a lot of people hate on me. Get the fuck up out my way, homie. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Ain't nobody pop where I'm from. No attention, now these hoes falling like it's autumn. Richie Palo on top, that's a fucking problem. Gushing cream, suede seats like we hit the ladder. And I hold on to my pride, cause you know where I'm from. And I grip that bottle tight, I'ma sip it till it's done. I'ma take that corner wide while I'm screaming red rum. You the Bonnie to my Clyde, now we really on one. Now I know you wanna party all night, mix the Henny with Bacardi. All night in that Giorgio Armani. All white, and I know you love that vodka with peach Sprite. Can I hit it in the morning? Cause I'm flying, man, I'm soaring. I'm just going through the motions. There's no telling where we're going. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra.
Rock mismatch designer. Ran into money, ain't nobody find her. Price in Miami, can't nobody find her. Move to the hills, I'm with somebody's daughter. Say that they do, but don't nobody got her. They'll be here for the day, but then gone by tomorrow. Go through the front and then pick through the side. That nigga can't talk when his body get hit with them hollows. Yes, I'ma have to turn him in the ass when I catch him. I got Louis Powell with the Prada on the dresser. Money turn a nigga to a real big stepper. Psych, bitch, I always been a real big stepper. Alligator Gucci, mink for a leopard. I don't like to talk, but a chopper give a lecture. Money only thing showing love and affection. Told a little shorty I ain't hugging and kissing. I told a little shorty she can love from a distance. I don't even fuck with nobody enough just to listen. Depending on how you go about it, you might just get a mention. I told his ass that that's just how it goes. And price the Met like Wayne and Holly Grove. Like why these niggas hate, nobody knows. I'm going ghost now. Tell a nigga price come back when it's showtime. I took a month off, I still got it. White girl to the right, she pill poppin'. I don't do that shit. She try to say I'm on the way to the top, but I told a little vibe that I already knew that shit. I got a check, I already ran through that shit. I'm chopping bullets, make a nigga do the woo back shit. New lifestyle, I swear that I could get used to this. I swear that I could get used to this. I took a month off, I still got it. White girl to the right, she pill poppin'. I don't do that shit. She try to say I'm on the way to the top, but I told a little vibe that I already knew that shit. I got a check, I already ran through that shit. I'm chopping bullets, make a nigga do the woo back shit. New lifestyle, I swear that I could get used to this. I swear that I could get used to this. First year, but I'm far from new to this. I kick it out like I ain't never knew the bitch. Like I ain't knew the bitch. But I ain't losing shit. I'll admit it, that was stupid shit. I'll admit it, I'm so money driven. I don't want the whip unless it's half a ticket. I've been doing this. I swear that I could get used to this. I swear that I could get used to this.